and a man-made harbor.
Perfect.
Okay. Now just think of what type of complexity it takes to do that. That's civil engineering. This is labor management, right? Because you're gonna need a ton of labor. And all this material were from excavations from these ditches. They
Mm.
basically took rock material and dirt from this ditch system and built man-made land. This is where the Kauhala Uta, right?
Mm.
This is Taufahau Road, Kauhala Uta, which kind of referenced the Tuitonga, and then the
Yeah.
Kauhala Lalo, which primarily referenced the
Tuihatakalaw.
Tuihatakalau. So this is where they're getting, and this is where they mentioned earlier that they were digging here because it was a sign of, it was a prestigious sign that you had something from an island hundreds or thousands of miles away. That's why they're finding it. And they specifically chose this because that's where the Tuitonga was. Everyone knew that's where the Inasi, that's where the Polo Polo came
Mm.
from throughout the empire, and they
Correct.
brought it there. But this is for everyone to understand, 100 acres of man-made land that goes into the ocean that has survived hundreds and hundreds. There are people living on this man-made land to
Today.
this day, which is just crazy. I don't know. Any thoughts
Yeah.
on that, Masi?
No, despite all the climate changes and the hurricanes still hitting Tonga, it's pretty amazing the how sophisticated and the amount of work the forefathers of Tonga created this, because that's pretty crazy. And what I mentioned earlier with the Laku Angafue, with that property in our family, there
Yes.
was a
Right
I'm
here,
imagining I'm
right?
imagining because yes, I'm imagining the people from Ha'amoa coming with their, because it's with their food and stuff, throwing it in a certain spot so they will go and work. And I'm talking about, there could have been thousands, because that amount of work, we're talking about thousands of people, maybe from Upolu and Sawai, all coming to work to build for the Tuitonga, because that's a lot of work, and we don't even know to this day how long it took to build
Yeah.
to build that. So, nah, it's pretty crazy, pretty crazy.